What we do here is go back.
Guess who's back?
Hello, my name is Ron and I'm with Kingdom Christmas Lights here in the Houston, Texas area. We use Minleon products and we're a distributor of Minleon products, and we want to highlight and showcase a product today that I know that you'll be interested in. Commercial grade Christmas lights really cannot find their way to the roof without a clip. This is the V2 Plus circle clip from Minleon. You can tell it's not a knockoff because it has Minleon USA right on it, and it says C9 circle clip. Now this clip is specifically made for the C9 socketed wire. It's sold into a case bag of 2,000 clips into a case. There's 20 bags of 100, which are right here, and I'm going to demonstrate how they work. This right here, the C9 Minleon socket wire, you simply just take the clip, this clip, it's very durable and it fits and attaches onto the roof. It's not one of those flimsy things after year 2 and after year 3 you're going to have problems with it. This one will stand the test of time, and on removal you'll thank me later. It fits exactly onto the socket, and then you just simply take the bulb, screw the bulb in there, which is a Minleon V2 C9 warm white bulb. And then here the bulb is right here, the clip is on here, and then it's great. I mean, when you take the lights off of the roof, the clips are not going to stay up there and cause a lot more problems. When you're spiraling up the wire, either on install preparation or takedown, you can move the clips to the side. And unlike some of the other clips that we've had previously, you know, as you're putting on the clips and then you get up on the roof, oh my goodness, they're on the wrong side. These, you can just simply put them on whatever side it is, which makes installation a lot faster, and they clip and grip to the roof like no other. That's why here at Kingdom Christmas Lights we recommend the V2 Plus circle clip, and we have them for sale right now on ChristmasContractor.com.
What we do here is go back.
Guess who's back?